Bonitas, and welcome back to my channel. So today, if you guys can see, there's a really big mess behind me, and it's not just here, it's like all over there and all over here, like it's everywhere, girl. Luckily I have my cafecito because let me tell you, mama needs some sleeps. These under eye bags are not Chanel, they are sleep deprivation. So let's get to it. I haven't done a clean with me in a really long time, so if you need this motivation, keep watching because this room better look sparkling clean after I'm done. I just finished folding some clothes, but let me show you guys this mess that I have. Okay, Bonita, so I decided to start off on my nursing chair and on my crib area because I felt like it was the least messiest. So just to give me myself like a little motivation, I want to clean off one spot while I clean everything else. I at least have a corner to look at that looks decent enough for me to want to continue with the rest of the mess. So let's keep cleaning. All right, so next was my baby's cart. I reorganized some stuff, removed some stuff that I didn't need, and of course my nightstand, because if you can see, my whole household was on this nightstand, and okay, she was a hot mess. So we had to get it together, and you guys, the amount of coins I find during cleaning is insane. Okay, Juanita, so right now, this is embarrassing, but if you have a dog and your dog likes your socks and stuff like that, they put them under the bed, and Bonita's like in and out all over my house, like she owns this place, and she has so much stuff under my bed, and today is the day to bring it out. I hate having stuff under the bed. I like having it clean. It just makes my whole room feel cleaner, even though you can't really see it. But today is the day we're gonna bring out all of that stuff, and let's get to cleaning. Okay, so I do want to say it was not that bad. I actually imagined the under my bed to look ridiculously messy, but it wasn't that bad. So Bonita, I'm sorry for putting you on blast, but you girl, you have a mess usually. But now let's tackle this mountain because this is what was stressing me out the most, and let's tackle it, ladies. All this clothes felt never ending. If you wash, dry, fold, and put away clothes on the same day, let me tell you, you are a goddamn goddess. So get it, girl. In this bin that I had like a whole bunch of my purses and stuff like that, I ended up just putting the scarves, some maternity clothes, the baby wipey warmer since it's getting hot. We haven't used it. And obviously I don't need pregnancy clothes at the moment, and all my scarves, like I have so many, so I'm gonna put them away in the garage, that way it doesn't take room in my closet. And then this here is where I had a whole bunch of dirty clothes. We just put a load to wash, and I'm just gonna fill it up with stuff that needs to go downstairs and take it all in one trip instead of going back and forth. And we ended up lowering the crib because look at Miss Ma'am over here, look at her. Niña, ¿qué haces, mi amor? She's already gotten up twice. ¿Qué estás haciendo? She dropped her camera and her hatch machine somewhere right there. Te vas a golpear. No. Look at her. Look at her. ¿Qué haces? ¿Te vas a caer? Do you guys see that? Do you, do you guys see that? Yeah. Oh man, I'm in for one, you guys. Look at this child of mine, and she's only 9 months old. She just turned 9 months on Friday. Like, are you serious? She's 9 months going on 3 years old. Oh man. Niña, te vas a caer. You're wild. Okay, so let me get back to cleaning because this girl's gonna give me a heart attack. See? Okay, bonitas, I am finally done. I can see the floor. You guys want to see something? Look at my child. She will not stop climbing her crib. Girl. So I'm finally done with my room. Yay, me. So, do you see this bed? I can see the top of it already. So we put away all our clothes. The bag that I showed you guys earlier, big bag of donation, and that was just my clothes. Peter has another bag of donation and another bag that we're gonna give it to family. And then, so I went ahead and cleaned everything off the nightstand, and in here's my pajamas, and on the top one is like the essentials. So it's completely clean. Now on here, since I got rid of the wipey warmer, since it's hot already, I put the diapers at the top. The wipies are right there down below. Some bath towels, her lotions for right after bath time. I'm actually gonna end up putting those away since I'm not breastfeeding anymore. Some extra diapers. I also want to put away my pump, but it didn't fit on the bin anymore. Of course, my bed, I dusted it all off. My fan, because it's so hot in here. And now this nightstand is completely clean. Peter already has his glass of water there. And this air purifier is A1. I absolutely love it. It literally makes the air feel much more cleaner. It gets rid of any smells. If you change dirty diapers, you know what I mean. And super like silent, doesn't make too many noise. So here, if you guys remember, I had a mountain of clothes. It is all gone. It's either donations, hanged, washing, or folded away. Bonita's bed, of course. And then this chair I've had for a couple years already. It's like on the last, giving this last edge of life. So I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it. I think I am. Like, there's no use for it. It's not the vibe in here. Here I had my big mirror before, but I moved it down to our sitting area. Let me know what should I put here. I was thinking of maybe putting like a little vanity or something like that because we don't have a mirror in here anymore. And then, but I'm so happy to see this empty. I'm also extremely happy to not have any clothes on top of this. Like, this is amazing. Like, my heart is so happy and also stressed because she's standing right there, but she don't listen to siéntate. On this side, everything is clean and our closet is completely organized right now. I will be showing you guys the final look of the closet in another video, but that's it, you guys. That is it. I definitely need a new comforter because let me tell you, having a baby and a white comforter is not ideal, but you know what? I love the aesthetic, so I'm just gonna go ahead and buy another one. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you got motivated to clean, like that was the goal, let me know what room in the house you cleaned and which one I should do next, because let me tell you, this whole house needs a deep clean. I'm so happy to be sleeping in this room tonight. I just want to go ahead and hop in the shower, be clean, lay in bed, and just chill out. But have a great day or a great night, whatever time you're watching this video. And do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to join the Bonita family. But bye, Bonitas.